video, I'm going to show you how to access your Google AdWords remarketing tag and a pretty cool tip you can use for your next PPC campaign. So step 1, log into your AdWords account. Step 2, go to the left side, find Shared Library. Then go find Audiences and select View. Now, step 3, this is where you find your remarketing tag. On the right side, you'll see whether it's firing correctly or not, or if you need to install it. So we've already added this to a website. So right here, you can just select tag details. You can email this to your developer, or you can go to setup and you can copy the information for yourself. So that's how you access your remarketing tag. Now, the cool tip, you want to use segmentation when you're using remarketing. So not everybody who comes to your website is a hot lead. Some are warm leads, some are cold leads, some are just shopping around. So AdWords gives you the option to kind of create some segments. So for instance, these are the 4 main ones that they offer. What I recommend doing is starting website visitors and then fill out this information. So specifically visitors of a page. So let's say you're pushing a product, you'll want a different remarketing ad for that product than you would for your homepage. This will increase your conversions. It'll also lower your cost per click because the ad is going to be so targeted. The people who see these ads are going to be more interested in a higher value customer for you to potentially capture. I hope this tip helps, and if it does, please make sure to like and subscribe below.